Hi again, my name is Trevor Fall. If you watched my previous video where I talked a little bit about CELPIP and about the speaking part, in this video we're going to look at the speaking task 1 specifically. And so I'm going to share the screen. So when you're looking to practice the speaking exam for CELPIP, you would go to celpip.ca, and then on the main page where they have the different settings, it gives you a list of different countries and information about the CELPIP from that. And so when I click, I would go to prepare for CELPIP on the right-hand side, and then I go down to where it says free practice tests. And then from here, I would select CELPIP General because that's with reading, writing, listening, and speaking, and that's what the Canadian government accepts for immigration purposes. I click on Start, and I have Practice A and B, so we're going to look at Test A. And then there's just information about different parts. You can read through this your own leisure. I will have a video about how we mark the speaking as well, but let's just go to, so when I click on Start, it gives me an option of which test section to try during the official exam. It will go through different parts, but for here, because it's a practice test, so I want to choose speaking. So it gives instructions. Now, what's key for CELPIP speaking is there's a timer that you have to prepare for the question, and then you have a certain amount of time to speak. And so when you're speaking, the timer is, you're going to see a little bar across the screen. It's going to go across as it's recording. And once that timer is ended or it's finished, then the recording stops. So you might be halfway through a sentence. You might still be having one or two more ideas you want to say, but part of this challenge with CELPIP is you have to be able to explain and answer the question in a specific amount of time. For some questions, it's 60 seconds. For some questions, it's 90 seconds. So here again, you can read this information on your own. I'm going to skip across. So they have instructions, which again, I'm going to skip. And so here you can see, so talk about one of your best friends. Preparation time is 30 seconds. And then you're going to have a recording time of 60 seconds. So let's take a look at this, and I'll have a separate video that actually allows you to see my answer or a sample answer for this question.